So, my video from day one failed to upload, and so I'm doing the video for day two. So I'm going to do day one, day two, same video for the week 13 lessons. So that's just, one second, that's just my screen. Let me click here, and let's get started today, okay? Now, accelerated, I'm going to do yours last, and I'm going to start with core. So core, listen first, and we'll go through what this whole week looked like. So if I click my modules right here, I need to look at week 13 lessons and homeworks. This is what we've done all week. Now, if you've missed a live Zoom, I highly encourage you, if not beg, that you come to the Zooms this week, because we are doing all the work in class, which makes everything so much easier. Monday, we spent the entire day doing a Pear Deck, and then we practiced some figurative language cards. You could do those were optional, and then your homework was a figurative language practice, and your homework is Cami for No Red Ink. In class today, for day two, we read the Sneetches poem, and we started the Sneetches assignment in the breakout rooms. Second hour, I know I had to leave early because of a doctor's appointment, but we will continue this on Friday, if not day one of next week. And then we're going to continue that all through the week. So it's not much of a lot of discussion of hardness of what to do, but I promise if you come to the live Zooms, it is a lot easier to get the work done. These figurative language task cards, like I said, are optional. If you want to go through the Pear Deck, it has awesome information about all types of figurative language. If you would like to practice it on your own, email me and I will send you an individual link. And so basically it goes through the 7 types of figurative language we focus on in 6th grade. We have alliteration, idiom, hyperbole, metaphor, simile, personification. And if you go through that, it has practice for all of these that we did in class. Remember, with Pear Deck, it doesn't tell you the right answer, only I can. Figurative language Cami, it is literally practicing simile and metaphors. Turn this in. It is quite simple. It will not take you more than 20 minutes. You may use your definitions for that as well. It's attendance. Then we have the information about the Sneetches with the background information. It talks about Dr. Seuss, why he wrote it, and how he has a deeper meaning and uses a lighthearted tone. And then this is where we did the actual Sneetches assignment. And so when you pull up the Cami, you'll have all of the poem here, but I want to make sure you see that the directions are right there. You read the poem, highlight and label the rhyme scheme, underline figurative language, and then answer the questions on the side as you go. Chunk it. Do the first stanza, answer all these questions, answer this question, continue on. That is why we're taking so many days to kind of work on this. So that is for core. For accelerated, it's a little bit different. We are doing a completely different poem for accelerated. So the only thing that was probably the same for you all would be the Cami, not the Cami, the Pear Deck. The Pear Deck was the same. So you were supposed to read The Road Not Taken, which we read the poem. We did that first assignment, which we've already talked about. I'll pull that up. And then on day two, what we did was we did the second assignment. So there was 2 assignments this week. No Red Ink capitalization is still due. The Road Not Taken should not be finished until end of class on Friday, so we'll work on that as well. There's the attendance. Road Not Taken, we watched this mini biography video, and we watched the animated poetry reading of Road Not Taken, which is phenomenal. For this lesson, that's the Pear Deck. I already showed that. You only need to see that twice. For this lesson, it was asking you to paraphrase the poem, label the stanzas, and tell me the rhyme scheme. For the second assignment, it was diving a little bit deeper with some deeper level questioning skills, talking about Robert Frost's meaning, and then we had a lot of fun talking about how Robert Frost was literally making fun of our friend writing this poem, but English teachers love to make it a little extra spicy with that. And that is basically it. As always, ask me any questions that you may have. Sorry that day 1 and day 2 were combined. Day 1 did not work for some reason. Love you all. Have a great day.